let us understand the module 3 differentiation, multiple 1 3.1. It's the longest module, so we'll make it into 3 pieces, module 1 into 3 parts. So here we know that fx is equal to x power 1. We want to find the derivative. The answer is n multiply x power n minus 1. If there is a derivative of the constant is there, the derivative of the constant is 0, and if there is a variable x is here, then the constant will not participate in the derivative, only fx will participate. That is, the derivative cannot come to k, only the derivative will come only to fx. If there is no x here, then the derivative of the constant is 0. And apart from that, you remember these things directly. Applying the same formula only will get it, but we have to remember it permanently. Like x cube derivative is 3x square derivative is 2x, x derivative is 1, and this is a constant. See this, constant derivative is 0, and then 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square. Similarly, root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x. This is very, very important. You have to remember 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square, and root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x. So here the question is fx is 28. What is the derivative of fx? 28 is a constant, its derivative is 0. Minus 2 is a constant, its derivative is 0. X power 8 derivative is 8x power 7. Whose gabil, whose nagaswahan. Whose gabil, whose nagaswahan. 8 will come to the front, 8 minus 1 is 7. Here when it comes to the 5 over 2, that is a fraction. The same method, the 5 over 2 will come to the front, 5 over 2 derivative, 5 over 2 will come to the front, and 5 over 2 minus 1. So 5 over 2 Sava x power, this is 3 over 2. Here root x derivative is 1 over 2 root x, you remember it directly, but here is the method. Root x derivative is x power half derivative, x power half whose gabil whose nagaswaha, half will come to the front, half minus 1, half multiply x power minus half minus 1 is minus half. Because we don't allow half in the numerator, let's bring it down. So this will be 1 over 2 x power half means root x. See this is a difficult question. Fx is equal to 1 over cube root of x. Cube root of x means x power 1/3. Because it is in the denominator, if you bring it to the numerator, it will become minus. So then the derivative will be whose gabil, that is minus 1 over 3 to the power minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So minus 1 over 3 x power minus 4 over 3, that is minus 1 over 3. This minus I make it plus. 5x cube derivative is simple. 5 will not participate in the derivative, only x cube will participate, that is 3x square 15x square. Let us see this, 3 over root x, 3 is will not participate, and x power root x is x power half, and x power it is minus half. So x power minus half derivative is again whose gabil whose nagaswaha. Minus half will come to the front, 3 Sava, minus half minus 1, so that is minus 3 over 2. This is how much? Minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2, you can leave it like this, or this minus you bring it down. So this is minus 3 over 2. This minus will bring it down, so this will become minus 3 over 2 x power 3 over 2. Okay, these are simple practice, but you need to practice. Just listening to this video may not really help you 100%. You have to do it on your own. So here find the derivative of 4x5 3x4 minus 8x square plus 8x plus 3. So we want to find the derivative. The constant will not participate, only x power 5 derivative whose gabil whose nagaswaha, 5x4 and 3 4x 3 minus 8 x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1 and 3 derivative 0. So the answer is 20x4 12x cube minus 16x plus 1. Here is another one. So before I find the derivative, here is the derivative. Before I find the derivative, let me divide x with this 3 times. 2x cube over x minus 4x square x 3 over x. This is the important step. This is the key step. So 2x cube over x is 2x square. 2x cube over x is 2x square. 4x square over x is minus 4x. This is 3 multiply 1 over x. 3 1 over x or 3 over x, either way it's okay. Now we want to find the derivative. 2 Sava x square 2x, 4 Sava x derivative 1, 3 Sava. I ask you to remember 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square. I repeat, you have to remember 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square, which has been explained here in the previous page. In the previous page here, see this, in the previous page here, question number, this is 5. See this minus 1 over x is 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square. You have to remember it permanently. So every time we don't do it to do whose gabil, whose nagaswaha. So the answer is 4x, 4 multiply 1, 4, minus 3 over x square. Let us do one more, 2 over x square, 3 over x cube. Because we don't have formula, when x is in the denominator, we don't have the formula. X should be in the numerator, then only our formula, whose gabil, whose nagaswaha. So this is 2, x tarbia hina, if you take it to the up, it will be x to the power minus 2. This is minus 3, x power 1/3, if you take it up, it will be minus x power 1/3. So f dash x is equal to 2 sawa, x power minus 2 derivative, minus 3 sawa, x power minus 1/3 the derivative. So 2 sawa, x power minus 2 derivative is whose gabil, whose nagaswaha. Again minus 3, whose gabil, whose nagaswaha. So this is minus 4 x power minus 3. This 3 and this 3 will cancel. This is plus x power minus 4 over 3. You should not leave minus in the numerator. So this minus 4 sawa. This minus 3 will become plus 3. X power plus 3. This minus 4 over 3 will become x power plus 4 over 3. Now let us see the meaning of the derivative. The meaning of the derivative, there are 5 answers. Here we write 2. In the next video we will add another 2 here. What do you mean by the meaning of the derivative? Whenever you want to find the derivative means either to find the slope we use derivative, to find the velocity or the speed at a particular point we use derivative, rate of change also we use derivative. Rate of change of distance with respect to time is called velocity. What do you mean by speed? Speed means distance by time. Distance by time means rate of change of distance. Rate means time. Change of distance. Distance divided by time will give you the speed. So I repeat, derivative means first you remember slope or velocity or rate of change. Now here find the slope and the equation of the tangent to the line of the graph, this so and so, at the point 1, 3. So here 2x square minus 3x plus 4. What do you want? You want to find the equation of the tangent line. To find the equation, you need 3 points. What are the 3 things? One is slope, another is the point, third one is the equation. Let us find the slope. How to get the slope? Slope means the derivative. So fx is this. So let us find the derivative. F dash x is equal to 2, x square derivative 2x minus 3, x derivative 1, 4 derivative 0. That means 2 is 4x minus 3. This is. Now I will find this point x is equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So I put x is equal to 1 here. In this x is equal to 1 here. 4 multiply 1 minus 3 which is 1. This is called the slope. What do you mean by slope? Derivative at the point is called the slope. It is a number. Slope is a number. Now we want to find the equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line, here is the formula. Y equal to m multiply x minus x1 plus y1. Y equal to m is 1. X minus x1 is here. This is x1 y1. This is x1 y1. This is your x1 y1. So y is equal to m multiply x minus x1. X minus x1 means 1 plus y1 is 3. So let us simplify. 1 multiply xx minus 1 plus 3 is 2. This is the answer. Now here is the problem in application problem. Economist consumer price index CPI is decreased by the function IT where t is equal to 0 corresponds to 1997. At what rate was CPI changing in 2002, 2004 and 2007? At what rate was the CPI, consumer price index, was changing in 2002, 2004, 2007? Rate means, rate of change means immediately derivative. So IT is given, immediately find the derivative. So minus 0.2, t cube derivative 3t square, 3 multiply t square derivative 2t, 100 derivative is 0. So multiply these two, minus 6t square, 3 multiply to 60. This is the derivative. After finding the derivative, we will put the point. What we have to put? T is equal to 0 is represented to 1997. T equal to 1 is 98. T equal to 2, 99. T equal to 3, 2000. T equal to 5, 2002. Okay? T is equal to 2, 2002, and T is equal to 4. You have to count it physically with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002 like that. You have to physically count. These numbers will come. So when you want 2007, don't put 2007, put t is equal to 10. So here what you want, at what rate t is 2002. 2002 represents t is equal to 5. So I put t is equal to 5. Himsa t ek tab kamsa. Use calculator, you get 15. Again 2004. 2004 represents t is equal to 7. So I put t is equal to 7 minus 0.4. T is 7. 7 tarbiya plus 6 multiply 7. Use calculator, 12.6. And the last one is 2007. That is t is equal to 10. Replace t with 10. So minus 0.6 10 square plus 6 times 10, here it is, and use calculator, you get 0. So this is the problem. So only thing is you have to understand English rather than anything. Rate of change means derivative. Just find the derivative, put the point. While putting the point, you have to be careful with these things. This is called understanding this English. Nothing to do with the calculus. Let us do one more problem. A group of marine biologists at Oceanography Institute recommended conservation measures on whales. Whales means blue whales is the biggest animal in the world. This one for extinction. They are getting extinction. After implementation, the population of the whale is, here is the formula for for how many number of whales are there. Where N stands for the denotes the population of the blue whales at the end of each year. T stands for year. First year, second year, third year, 10th year, like this. So what is the question? Find the rate of growth. When you see the rate of growth, it is nothing but the derivative of this. So n dash t, 3t cube derivative is 3 will come to the front, 9t square. This will become 4t, 2 will come to the front, 4t. Minus 10t derivative is minus t, 600 derivative is 0. Find the derivative. Find the rate of growth. The t is equal to 2 means put t is equal to 2, you get 34. Put t is equal to 6, be careful here, 9t 6 square, 4 6 minus 10, you get 338. And I also put n dash 1, just for fun I put it, n dash 1 is equal to 3. That is in here I put n is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. So 9 plus 4, 13 minus 10, it is 3. So this is the problem. Understand the English and just use it mathematics. Let us do one more. Turtle population. Here blue whale population, here turtle population. After severe conservation measurements are implemented, turtle population is, this is the formula. Between 0 to 10, that is 10 years. First year, second year, third year, 10th year. NT denotes the turtle population. Turtle is a small fish-like small, it is turtle. You must have seen in here also available for this thing, aquarium. Normally we put it. Find the rate of growth. What do you mean by rate of growth? Immediately derivative. So NT is this, n dash t will be 6t square, and then here whose gabil 6t minus 4, 40 derivative is 4, 1000 derivative is 0. After that t is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 8, put t equal to 2 here, you get 32. Put t is equal to 8, be careful, and then use calculator, you get 430. So the population, turtle population at the end of the 10th year, this is another question. At the end of 10th year is, see here he did not ask the rate. See here, see this, there is no rate of growth. Here see this rate of growth means derivative. Here he did not ask rate of growth, so you have to put directly n is equal to t is equal to 10. So when you put t is equal to 10, 3260. But this question will not be asked. Normally we ask only the rate because we want to train you in derivatives. We will ask you this only, we will not ask you this. But however, you have to understand that the turtle population at the end of the 10th year means there is no rate of growth. That means no derivative. Just find directly. This is. Let us see the next topic. The next topic is the derivative rules. The derivative rules is product and quotient rule. Product means multiply. Quotient means divided by. Product rule is, this is the FG product rule. F multiply G derivative is F derivative multiply G plus F multiply G derivative. Whether you write FG or AB or UV, it is the same. Suppose we write UV derivative is U derivative multiply V plus UV derivative. You have to remember the formula. Similarly, there is a formula for the quotient. Quotient means Gisma divided by F over G. Here G multiply F prime minus F multiply G prime over G square. Usually we remember like this. Denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator multiply derivative of the denominator by denominator square. Like that we remember, or whatever method you take it, you remember it like this. Let us do this problem. Fx is equal to x square minus 1 multiply x cube plus 3. We want to find the derivative. So I apply this rule. So write 2 times 2x square minus 1 x cube plus 3. 2x square minus 1 x cube plus 3. Write 2 times. First you find the derivative of the first function and then the second function. Its derivative is 4x to x cube plus 3 sawa, 2x square minus 1 sawa. Here again the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Just multiply. Here the calculus is finished. After that we need multiplication. 4x into x cube 4x4, 4x into 3 12x, 12x square 2x square multiply 3x square is 6x4, minus 1 into 3x square is minus 3x square. 4 plus 6 is 10x4, 12x sawa minus 3x square sawa. Again one more problem, x cube multiply root x plus 1. X cube is one function and then root x plus 1 is another function. X cube is one function, root x plus 1 is another function. So write two times x cube root x plus 1, x cube root x plus 1. First you find the derivative of the first function, then the second function. That is the rule. First function derivative and then second function derivative. So x cube derivative 3x square root x plus 1, x cube root x plus 1 derivative. I ask you to remember root x derivative is 1 or 2 root x. Don't every time to do it who's gabil who's nakaswahar. One derivative is 0. Multiply 3x square into root x, 3x square into 1 3x square, x cube into this is x cube over 2 root x, 0 inside. So this will be 3 x square multiply root x means half. So 2 plus half, 3x square sawa. This is half x cube, this down is half. When you bring it to the up it will become minus half. So this will be 3x square sawa, 3 x power 5 over 2, 2 plus 2 and half means 5 over 2. Here 3 minus half is 5 over 2. So these two are same. So 3x square, 3 plus half, 3 and half, which is 7 over 2, x power 5 over 2. You need to know this little algebra. Be careful in doing it. Now the next rule is quotient rule. Now still further product rule is there. Very simple it is. X cube minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Here first derivative, here the second derivative you have to write it. 3x square, 2x plus 1, x cube minus 1, this is 2x. 2x derivative is 2, 1 derivative is 0. Multiply 6x cube, 3x square, x cube into 2 minus 2. So when you add 2 plus 6, 8x cube, 3x square minus 2. So find the value of f1 if f dash x is so and so. So find the derivative using the same methodology. After finding out the derivative, put x equal to 1. No need this line also. Simply you put here x equal to 1 here itself, you get the same 10 answer. Now the formula is for divided by Gisma, x over 2x minus 4. What is the formula? Denominator into derivative of the numerator, down into up derivative, minus up multiply down derivative by down square. 2x minus 4, x derivative 1 minus x, 2x minus 1 derivative, 2x derivative is 2, 4 derivative is 0. Now simplification, 2x minus 1 is 2x, 4 multiply 1 4, minus x multiply 2x, this 2x plus and minus will cancel, minus 4 over 2x minus 4 whole square. Let us do one more. X square plus 1 by x square minus 1, down multiply up derivative, minus up multiply down derivative by down square, square minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 1, x square derivative is 2x, minus x square plus 1 sawa, x square derivative 2x over x square minus 1 whole square. So on multiplication, x square multiply 2x is 2x cube, minus 1 multiply 2x is minus 2x, minus x square multiply 2x is minus 2x cube. See this, I multiplied x square multiply 2x, 2x cube, 1 multiply 2x, I multiplied it. Now after that I am removing the minus. So minus 2x cube plus 2x cube cancel. This is minus 2x is minus 4x. Be careful in doing these things. Another problem is down multiply up derivative, minus up multiply down derivative by down square. X plus 1 sawa, x square derivative 2x, minus x square minus 4 sawa, x derivative 1 and other one derivative is 0. So let us simplify this. X plus 1 whole square down, 2x multiply 2x is 2x square, 1 multiply 2x, minus x square minus 4 multiply 1 is x square minus 4. Again is subtraction, 2x square minus x square is 1x square, 2x plus 4 by x square. Be careful in this algebra business. And find f dash 2 here. Again you apply the u by v formula, denominator into derivative of the numerator minus up into derivative of the denominator down by denominator square, and simplify, you get this answer. After that put x equal to 2, minus 4 over 2 multiply 2 minus 1 whole square minus 4 over 9. The same thing you need to practice. If I just read it or everything or WhatsApp, there is no big difference. You have to practice it and then check whether you are getting this answer or not. You do the same steps separately and then match with the answer. If you are not getting, again you cross check it. That way you have to learn. Not just watching the video may not be helpful to you. Let us see this. As far as English problem is concerned, what we have to do is in simple is simply find the derivative, put the value. That is the only thing. But while finding out the derivative, which formula you have to choose? One is the direct formula, another is the product formula, the third one is the division formula, the fourth one is the chain rule. So here what it says is 5t over t square plus 1, find the derivative. Down into up, down multiply up derivative minus up multiply down derivative by down square. Simplify it carefully and you get this one. This is the derivative. Find the rate means derivative. Find the rate at which DVDs are selling, this is the rate. How fast means again derivative. Are the sales changing at the time the DVDs are released? Release means today, aliyam, dahina, means t is equal to 0. 2 years from the date of release. Today you release, t is equal to 0. 2 years baden means t is equal to 2. After finding the derivative, put t is equal to 0, you get $5 million, and t is equal to 2. If you put it here in this one, you get minus 0.6. Don't worry about the minus means decreasing 0.6. Let us see another one. I repeat, any English problem, simply find the derivative, put the value, that's all, only the thing. So how to find the derivative here? T square plus 1, down multiply up derivative minus up multiply down derivative by down square. So when you simplify, this is 0.2t minus 0.2t into t square plus 1 derivative is 2t. On simplification you get this one. Be careful in doing this, don't make any mistakes. 0.2 multiply t square is 0.2 t square, 0.2 multiply 1 is 0.2, and this is how much it is? Minus 0.4 t square plus 0.2 minus 0.4 is minus 0.2 square. This t square and this t square subtract, you get minus 0.2. Now how fast? Fast means derivative. The concentration changing half hour. That is, here you put t is equal to half. You calculate by yourself here by putting half. You get some answer. Maybe negative, no problem. So the next topic is called the chain rule. The chain rule is the very biggest one. What is the chain rule? The chain rule is